I've been praying for this business and I see things working. I'm grateful for even the smallest thing that's happened in my life. Just naongea kama nimebuy gari, nimebuy nyumba.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
Guys, good morning. How are you doing? Hope you are doing well. Guys, before I continue, this is water, guys. This is water. Anyway, so I was cleaning the dishes, then maji kapatia all of a sudden. So I decided chimeni nioshe pale. That is how I'm cleaning. Then I go buy milk, prepare breakfast, then nitoke nje niende kwa biashara zangu. So yeah, guys, actually I've uploaded a new video. Guys, if you have not watched, guys, my latest video, go back, watch my video. Please like it helps me to get recommended to many people, and I'm a road to 1,000 subscribers. Guys, if you are watching and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. To my new subscribers, thank you so much, and to my returning, thank you so much, guys. I don't take you guys for granted, so please, guys, comment, like, subscribe. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Anyway, akina mama. Anyway, guys, let me do that, then I'll see you guys later.
Calling me out like the first day. This ain't no first aid. Yeah, you making me new today. Brand new, straight from the fountain of wealth. I put my gift in your hand. Take me from rags to riches in the best way.
I'm here. Everything is done, so I'm about to sit. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I've done everything, guys. I'll talk to you guys later because yeah, nimeshatoa vitu nje. Everything is done. He's now sitting down, doing some TikToks, watching some vlogs na kuuza. That is it. So see you guys later. Guys, it is at what time is it? I think it's 1. No, it's going to 2. And right now I want to go buy some rice, beans, and some tomatoes, and there's someone in the house who is supposed to cook, so I'm not cooking. There is a person who is going to cook, and then yeah, that is what we're going to have for lunch. Some rice and beans. And I like kikombe nilikunywa nayo chai bado sijarudisha kwa nyumba. So yeah, guys, let's go. Nasikia vizuri.
Took me from rags to riches. Took me from rags to riches. Oh yeah, and I love it for me. I love it. Took me from rags to riches. Yeah, took me from rags to riches. Love it for me. Yeah, I love it. Took me from rags to riches. Took me from rags to riches. Oh yeah, and I love it for me. I love it. Took me from rags to riches. Took me from rags to riches. I love it for me. Yeah, I love it for me. Yeah, you always spending time with me.
Kwani uko nataka kuniwekea? Nimesema karibu nishike kikombe.
Taking me to places I ain't explored yet. Heavenly places. No GPS or escaping. No escaping. Yeah, you had everything. Gave it all away. Gave me everything. Drip on the cross. Gave us only son. Didn't take a loss. You did it for me. Glory on me fully clothed. Yeah. No, the sun is still above. Yeah.
Good morning. How are you? Hope you are doing great. Today is on Friday. Nimekuja kumark register right now. So actually I don't know, sijui kama imefika 7:19. I've done everything. Nataka kufua nguo before watu waje huko juu rooftop wajaze manguo zao. So I want tonight now to go do the laundry. Then ikifika saa 3 nitakuwa nimemaliza by saa 3. Alafu niende nifungue biashara zangu. So yeah, I've come just to mark the register, then I'll see you guys later. Guys, my skin is getting is this me? Imagine as japaka anything. Okay guys, I'll see you guys later. How are you? Hope you are doing well, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. Yesterday I said I'm going to do my laundry and come back to talk to you, but I did not come to talk to you, so I'm so sorry. Yesterday, guys, I had a lot to do. I did my laundry, I did everything. I went outside, my friends came to support me in my new business, so we were talking. I even forgot that I was supposed to vlog. I'm so sorry. Yo, today's on Saturday morning. I've cleaned the dishes. I want to go buy milk, come prepare breakfast and go out, to open my business. Guys, niliwambia nowadays I'm so busy, even vlogging, and at times naonanga nikivlog the same thing over and over again, so naonanga kunanga haja ya vlog. Sasa unapatanga siku hizi video zangu, most of the videos hazifikiangi 15 minutes, zangu maybe 11. So I don't know. Anyway, guys, let me go buy milk, then come talk to you guys. So yeah.
Took me from rags to riches, rags to riches, yeah. You wait for me, and you know, say.
This place, I don't know whether I'm clear enough. Let me put you there. But you mama. Anyway, guys, let me put you guys there so that I can talk to you. Yeah, guys, I feel like nowadays I talk to you guys too much. Like, I never used to talk to you. I used to vlog like in silent vlogs, or I talk kidogo, but nowadays I talk. I don't know. I run so much. Anyway, guys, I told you in the morning that nowadays I'm getting so busy, but I'm not complaining, guys. I thank God because, I've been praying for that. There is a message. Yeah, I've been praying for that. I wanted a business, a good business, because siku nataka nikae kwa nyumba, nakaa kwa nyumba, I'm not doing anything, nimetafuta kazi, I don't have any job. So I've been praying for this business and I see things working out. Hata kama si zile sana, but I'm grateful for even the smallest thing that happened in my life. I've learned to be so grateful, even the smallest thing that happened in my life. I said to this year, I want to learn to be grateful, and this May has been a good month to me because I started a business and it's doing really well. Hata kama ifanyi hivyo sana, but it's really working, and I thank God for it. So I wanted to tell you guys, be grateful, even the smallest thing, and just pray to God, and things will just work out the way you pray, and even it will work out. Hata mwezi amini, guys, huwezi amini kama ni wewe. So I really thank God. Naongea ni kama nimebuy gari, nimebuy nyumba. Sijabuy nyumba. I'm still staying at my parents' house, guys, but I'm learning to be grateful because of the smallest thing that happened in my life. So yeah, nimefungua sai, and it just crossed my mind. Let me talk to you guys and tell you about being grateful, and then niende kwa nyumba nilete chai. Yesterday night we cooked chapatis. That is what I want to have with breakfast, with tea. Yeah, and there is someone who say, amenipigia ameniambia nakuja. I want to wait for her here. So yeah, let me go have breakfast, then I'll see you guys. I don't know whether I'll talk to you guys later, I don't know, but I'll see. So yeah.
From rags to riches, oh yeah, and I love that for me. I love it. Took me from rags to riches, yeah. Took me from rags to riches, love it for me. Yeah, I love it. Took me from rags to riches, took me from rags to riches, oh yeah, and I love it for me. I love it. Took me from rags to riches, took me from rags to riches, I love it for me.
They don't stand a chance, they can never come be. I know that I'm covered, you're always with me.
God is real. Lord, I know they wanna see us down, but we ain't going out like that. 'Cause my God is real. Now the day goes by where I don't think you always stay down and you always stay true. I don't know what I would do without you. You by my side, I can't lose. They don't stand a chance, they can never come be. I know that I'm covered, you're always with me. 'Cause my God is real. Lord, I know they wanna see us down, but we ain't going out like that. 'Cause my God is real. It's like you come in perfect time, and even through the shade you give me shine. Off track till you pass out in the line. 2 plus 2 stress, so I've been grinding. Now the day goes by where I don't think you always stay down and you always stay true. I don't know what I would do without you. You by my side, I can't lose. They don't stand a chance, they can never come be. I know that I'm covered, you're always with me. 'Cause my God is real. Lord, I know they wanna see us down, but we ain't going out like that. 'Cause my God is real. Lord, I know they wanna see us down, but we ain't going out like that. 'Cause my God is real.
I've been craving on having chipo for the longest time now, and I decided to go and buy them. Nimezibuy, and now let me,